Emotions play a significant role in how we interact with the world around us. Some situations can trigger strong emotional response, both negative and positive. In this video, we will explore one such emotional trigger and examine how different response can shape our experiences and relationships. Criticism is a part of everyday life, whether in school, work, or personal relationships. But how do we respond to it? In this video, we will showcase two different reactions to criticism, one negative and one positive. Tapos ko na yung part ko.
Babe, tignan mo babe, parang mali yung gawa. Parang marami.
Paano mali? Ang tagal-tagal kong pinag-aralan yun.
Ay, kasi yung mga hindi siya magkakasunod. Tapos parang may hindi maganda yung pagkakagawa.
Bakit hindi mo sinabi kagahapon kung kailan pa sana tsaka ka magsasabi? In this first scenario, we see how criticism outcomes a negative response. Notice how emotion take over, leading to a reaction that may escalate tension or create misunderstanding. As we just witnessed, responding negatively to emotional triggers can result in a conflict, stress, and even damage relationships. But what if we choose to respond differently?
Ay, Ben. Ito na yung pwesto. Babe, parang mali yung part na nagawa mo. Parang marami kasi siyang mali and hindi siya magkakasunod. And yung ginawa mo is hindi tugma.
Sana kaya yun, hindi naman yung kasunod. Kaya pa kaya natin ang inisip.
So, kaya pa yan, tulungan na lang ako.
Sige.
Ganito
Saan bang
kasi,
banda yun?
ito ganito, ito, andito to. Tapos, dapat yung niya is magkakasunod. And yung mo kasi,
Recognizing our emotional triggers and learning how to manage them effectively is essential for personal growth and also emotional intelligence. When we respond positively, we foster healthier relationships, reduce stress, and also improve our overall well-being.
sabi ko naman siya, kaya natin personal.
Thank you, Bey. Akala ko talaga di natin ito matatapos online. Thank you. By practicing self-awareness and emotional regulations, we can turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Always remember, how we respond is always within our control. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into emotional triggers and the power of our responses. Take a moment to reflect, how do you react to your own triggers? What step can you take to respond in a way that promotes understanding and positivity?